Are you over 60 and tired of restless nights? If so, you're not alone. You might feel like sleep has become a distant memory. But what if I told you better sleep isn't just possible? It is within reach. This video is not about counting sheep. It's about understanding the changes happening in your body and how to master your sleep cycle. So if you're ready for truly restorative rest, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to transform your nights. Ready for a sleep revolution after 60? Let's get started. Sleep changes after 60. Why should you care? You might think tossing and turning all night is just part of getting older. But here's the thing. Sleep is vital for your health and well-being at every age. And while it's true that sleep changes as we age, those changes don't mean you have to accept sleepless nights or days full of fatigue. In fact, understanding these changes is the key to unlocking better sleep. Why does sleep change after 60? Well, as we age, our bodies go through various changes that affect our sleep patterns. These shifts are normal and not a failing. Our circadian rhythm, which regulates our sleep-wake cycle, gets a bit off balance. As a result, we spend less time in deep sleep and experience more awakenings during the night. And let's face it, who wants to wake up constantly during the night or feel perpetually drained during the day? No one. That's why it's essential to understand these changes and take proactive steps to ensure you get the sleep you need. Sleep is often the first casualty when we enter our senior years, but it doesn't have to be. With the right knowledge and habits, you can prioritize your sleep and enjoy its myriad benefits, including improved cognitive function, better mood, and an overall healthier life. Remember, it's never too late to prioritize your sleep. So if you're ready to reclaim those peaceful nights and invigorating mornings, keep watching. We've got practical tips and strategies coming up that will make a world of difference. Don't miss out. Stick around and let's dive into the world of post-60 sleep together, decoding your unique sleep rhythms. Each person's body is like a unique instrument in an orchestra, playing a slightly different tune. And when it comes to sleep, there are no one-size-fits-all solutions. To find your best sleep, it's crucial to understand your own rhythm, which means knowing your personal sleep disruptors and working around them. It's common for seniors to blame their age for sleeplessness, but sometimes there's more to the story. Many medications, from blood pressure drugs to antidepressants, can disrupt your sleep. Certain conditions like arthritis or restless leg syndrome can make finding comfort challenging. Even simple things like frequent urination at night or a room that's too warm can disrupt your sleep. One effective way to figure out your unique disruptors is by keeping a sleep diary. This isn't about tracking every little thing, but noting patterns. For example, if you consistently wake up at the same time each night, it's a clue for you to investigate further. Maybe it's a bathroom break, a pain flare-up, or even a habit like getting up to watch TV. Similarly, if you always feel refreshed after a cup of morning coffee, that's a sign to cut back on caffeine in the afternoon. Optimizing your sleep environment and habits. Imagine this. You're lying in bed ready to sleep, but your room is stuffy, the lights are dim, and you keep hearing noises from outside. Not exactly conducive to dreamland, right? Well, that's what we call optimizing your sleep environment and habits. And it's super important for quality sleep. The ideal bedroom for sleep is cool, dark, and quiet. While that might sound simple, it makes a big difference. Things like blackout curtains or a white noise machine can work wonders. And don't underestimate the power of your mattress and pillows. They should be comfortable and supportive, whether you sleep on your back, side, or anywhere in between. A pre-sleep ritual can also make a huge difference. This could be as simple as reading a book, listening to calming music, or even doing some light stretches. These habits signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Now, don't worry, we're not suggesting hours of bedtime routines. Just a few minutes of consistency can help you relax and prepare for sleep. Now let's talk naps. We all love a good nap, but how many of us are guilty of taking a quick snooze and then struggling to fall asleep at night? Well, naps can be a great way to catch up on sleep, but it's important to do them right. If you do decide to nap, aim for a 20-minute power nap early in the afternoon. Just be sure not to nap too close to bedtime. Otherwise, it may make it harder to fall asleep later. Diet, exercise, and lifestyle for better rest. Picture this. It's late in the evening. You're winding down, ready for bed, but you keep tossing and turning. You wonder why. Did you have too much caffeine earlier today? Did you eat something that disagreed with you? Well, it turns out that what we eat, drink, and do throughout the day can significantly impact our ability to sleep soundly at night. Nutrition plays a vital role in sleep. Some foods like those rich in magnesium, such as spinach and almonds, can promote relaxation and sleepiness. On the other hand, certain foods can hinder sleep. For instance, having a big meal too close to bedtime can make it harder to fall asleep. Caffeine and alcohol are notorious for disrupting sleep patterns, especially in later life. Exercise is another important piece of the puzzle. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep, but it's essential to choose the right type of exercise and timing. Aim for loom-packed activities like walking or swimming earlier in the day. Vigorous workouts close to bedtime can make it harder to wind down. Finally, managing stress and anxiety is crucial for restful sleep. Techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help calm the mind and body, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Future-proofing your sleep in Q&A. Are you still struggling to find your sleep sweet spot? Don't worry. Here's the deal. Finding the right sleep routine is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to try new things. It's important to know when to ask for professional help. If you suspect you might have sleep apnea or are dealing with chronic insomnia, it's time to consult a doctor. Also, be on the lookout for red flags. If you're constantly fatigued during the day, have trouble concentrating, or find yourself taking long naps, it's a sign to seek medical advice. While it's exciting to see emerging technologies like wearables or light therapy gaining popularity, remember to consult with your doctor before trying any new sleep aids or treatments. What keeps you up at night? Sleep concerns are common, and you're not alone in this journey. So please drop your thoughts below and let's build a community of support and shared learning. And remember, you've got this. Sweet dreams. And until next time, may your nights be filled with peaceful rest and your days with vibrant energy. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of sleep after 60. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. And don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Stay well and sleep soundly.